I'm going to show you how to tie the Alpine Butterfly Loop. This is the ultimate knot that you can completely bet your life on to create a fixed loop in the middle of a rope that does not slip and has no directionality problems. This is a mountaineer's knot, and this is a great one to have. So you take the rope that you have, you wrap it around your hand once on the top of your fingers here, just like that, and then you come around and wrap it again. So you kind of pull it down here. You create this nice little X, and I'm going to flip it over and show you what it looks like on the back of your hand here. Okay, it's there, pretty easy. So you've got the crisscross here, and then you take this little top loop, and what you're going to do, make sure to keep this X, is you're going to pinch this a little bit, pull it down, and you're going to slide it under both lines here. Both the running part and the standing end, or the running end and the standing part, sorry. And then you're simply going to pull it through, just like this. And then to fix and dress up the knot, all I do is just kind of pull on both ends, and it will begin shrinking. And it looks like a mess for a moment, but as soon as you pull it and it twists around, this is a little bit hard to deal with in especially stiff rope. But you'll see here that this knot should be beautifully symmetric on both sides. Should look very crisscrossy. There you go. And this loop will not slip. It will not fall apart. You can pull on it either direction. And the best part is it's very easy to take apart. So you can get that if you need a bigger loop. Obviously, you're going to have to work on that a little bit, but I can pull it out quite a bit, pull it through here, and then begin dressing the knot. And it does take a little bit of messing around with, but once you get it all symmetric, you get a nice big loop that you can literally hang your life on, whether you're climbing, adventuring, tying something up in the garden or whatever. The Alpine Butterfly knot is the knot to use to put in, and then you can actually isolate a damaged part of the rope. Let's say this part of the rope is damaged. You can actually isolate this part of the rope, and the rope here will transfer the load down the way, and you can hide a damaged part of the rope until you can get a new rope. So this is a very handy, not only knot to take and create a loop, but you can take the damaged part of a rope and put it out there. The Alpine Butterfly knot is featured in my book, The Most Crucial Knots to Know. Most importantly, I tell you when and where to use this knot and how to tie it and what to watch for. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy your Alpine Butterfly Loop, because this is one of my favorite knots of all time.